Hi guys, good morning, and it's been a long time since nag-upload ako ng video. Medyo busy kasi, but anyway, what we're gonna do right now is do an unboxing video para sa mga TP-Link hardwares, TP-Link Omada hardwares na binili ko from Shopee. Kasi what I'm planning to do, guys, is set up a vouchering system para dito sa restaurant namin. Tong restaurant kasi namin during weekdays, sobrang daming tao, and may nanghihingi ng mga Wi-Fi passwords, pero what they do is they also share the password to other people, which is madali lang naman gawin nowadays. Just have to scan the QR code and that's it. And we've noticed na minsan may mga tumatambay malapit sa or just outside our restaurant, and we noticed na nagwa-Wi-Fi sila. So which is why I've decided na magsiset up ako ng vouchering system para dito sa restaurant namin. So I have here the Omada TP-Link AC200. So this is going to be my access point. And I have the TP-Link Omada OC200 hardware controller. And I have the gigabit router, which is the TP-Link Omada ER605. So, lahat na ito ay nabili ko sa Shopee. Alright? Okay, so this is the TP-Link Omada OC200 hardware controller. So what's inside the box is the hardware controller itself. So actually maliit lang siya. Yan. It comes with the manual, installation guide, and a LAN cable. Some rubber here para sa footing niya. So that's what we have for the OC200 hardware controller. Well, next is the router, ER605 router. Ito yung hardware niya. And the installation guide, another LAN cable, and the power adapter. Okay. Yung last na bubuksan natin is the access point. I have here the EAP225 outdoor access point. And I'm gonna put the link in the description, guys, kung saan ko to na-order, sinong seller sa Shopee and Lazada, and magkano yung bili ko. So as always, installation guide, and here's the access point. Ito yung parang kable kung gusto mo siyang i-mount somewhere. And okay, the power supply. A bracket here. And of course, yung dalawang antenna niya, which is i-connect dito. Alright. Okay, so I will be setting up the vouchering system and I'll be uploading another video for the setup guide. Right? Bye.